keep your Kubota RTV XG850 Sidekick operating at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Suspension lubrication on your RTV X Series machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have all necessary parts to complete this task. To perform this procedure, you will need a grease gun filled with multi-purpose EP2 grease and a can of spray-type grease. The operator's manual points out each of these locations. We will demonstrate the procedure on just a couple of them. Locate one of the grease zerk fittings, clean it with a rag or towel, then connect the grease gun fitting and apply the correct amount of grease. The operator's manual explains in depth how much grease to add to the various locations. The chassis needs to be greased after every 50 hours of use. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for further information. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.